Hi, my name is Michelle Mann and I'm really excited to share with you my cocktails and cards party kit. I've been working with my colleague Alexa for the last couple of months designing and putting this together, and I'm finally at the point where I am excited to share it with everyone. I don't know about you, but I love getting together with my girlfriends, and there's just this beautiful support system with when the girls get together. And when we do, I quite often will put the kettle on and we'll get the oracle cards out and have a bit of fun, and it's a little bit light and quite often a lot of laughter. And I came up with the idea when we were at our last group to put together a kit that would be fantastic to have with girlfriends and have some cocktails with. You can also use this if you were planning a tea party or garden party. There's lots of different themes that you could use, and in the kit I've suggested quite a few for you. And so in the kit you get 2 decks of cards, which is great for about up to about 14 people, from 6 to 14 people. I've put in your invitations, and you get both a digital invitation plus you get some physical invitations as well. All the cocktail recipes that you're needing on the night, so all different ones for all different things, and also mocktail recipes, and also you'll find as well tea infusions and different things that you can use if you're planning a tea party or garden party. And also the most important thing in the instructions is how to host a party, an oracle card party. And so I go through with you step by step on how to set up your party, do your invitations, send them out. I give you ideas on different themes, and of course you could use these for different types of parties that you're having, like a bridal shower or baby shower. You could even do a Halloween would be fantastic for this. Crystal ball dreamings. There's lots of different ideas that I give you, as well as ideas with your food and other decorations, all that type of thing. So with the step-by-step instructions, you're going to feel really confident when you start to host your party. And you can make it as simple or as extravagant as you feel, and have a great time with it. It's a fun thing. It's meant to be a little bit light, and I give you different versions as well of how you can host the party. So my cat's just decided to join me. So have a lot of fun with it, and it's a great idea. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll have the links below for you to go to my website so that you can purchase your cocktails and cards party kit. What are you doing in here?